Hi, this is Kelli V, and I'm so excited to be coming to you virtually. You know, anything you could do live, you can do virtually. And I'm excited to be bringing that to you through Zoom primarily. Although I want you to know I'm flexible. If you have a special platform that you love, I will bring it to you in that particular platform. My expertise is over 20 years in the executive broadcast industry, so I'm used to being online and on screen. I will tell you that I like to present engaging programs to help you tap in, tune in, and turn on your teams. What are some of the things you can expect in a virtual? Well, you can expect breakouts. You can expect wonderful discussion groups. You can expect being able to do a Q&A. You can do polling, so we can survey the room. In fact, we can split the room up in certain departments if you'd rather, or we can split it up into certain job titles, whatever works for you. The goal is that you can know, do, and feel something better and more consistently as a result of your learning experience. That's what I can do for you with Zoom. This is Kelli V, and I look forward to virtually serving you very soon. Thanks much. Bye-bye.